The face of hunger is changing in North Carolina. Statistics show hunger is affecting our state's youngest citizens at alarming rates. In part 2 of her special series, Child Hunger in North Carolina, Heather Burgiss takes a look at the growing problem of child hunger and why the supply of emergency food at food banks across the state is in crisis, and how schools and local agencies are working together to try and bridge the ever-widening hunger gap.
Children may not understand the scope of hunger, but they know when they're hungry.
We're approaching 1 in 3 children in this region that are food insecure. They suffer from hunger. That means they don't know where their next meal is coming from or if they're going to have a next meal.
You could be standing in the hallway, and I've experienced this on many occasions, and you think they're going to say good morning. They do say good morning, but they also say, I'm hungry. Do you have something that I can eat?
I think when you don't see something or someone or a need, you don't think it exists, but it does.
It seems just as workers finish sorting through the piles of donated food, the supply is gone to hungry people.
It is a major struggle, and we cannot keep up with the demand in spite of all that we're doing with the increased need that we see.
And the demand keeps coming, and the need for food at the Second Harvest Food Bank of Northwest North Carolina in Winston-Salem continues to skyrocket.
We've gone from 7 million pounds 3 years ago to, at the end of 2011, nearly 22 million pounds. That's the equivalent of more than 18 million meals, but it's not nearly enough.
The food bank's 350 partner agencies from the 18-county service area, which spans from Boone to Burlington, report more people asking for help with food. These numbers of food hardship in the northwest part of North Carolina lead the state, and in some cases, the nation.
Well, according to FRAC, which is the Food Research Action Center, unfortunately, Winston-Salem ranks #1 with food insecurity of children in households from 18 and under.
But in our 18-county service area, that increased need is up a staggering 100% plus. We've gone from serving about 130,000 people 3 years ago to today we're serving more than 300,000 people. And sadly, about 100,000 of those are children.
With the increased need, food banks across North Carolina report extreme shortages of federally sponsored food and food donations. Partner agencies like the Fairgrove Family Resource Center, who depend on the food bank for supply, say sometimes they can't get the food they need.
We'll have to tell them we have no meat. So they'll want to say, well, you know, when are you going to get some meat? And, well, our answer is we don't know. It depends on what we get from the grocery stores and if Second Harvest would have meat. So our well-balanced food boxes that we always were so prideful of having and being able to give, we haven't been able to do.
Specifically, our food bank this quarter is getting 60% less food than we did last quarter. When our agencies come in and they don't see the food that they need, it's generally because of a reduction in the federal TFAP program and fluctuations that happen in the donated food that we get from food drives primarily and retail grocery store pickups secondly.
These shelves are normally filled with food and replenished twice a day, but donations are down during the summer, and that can be devastating for children in North Carolina who normally get their food at school, but now must depend on feeding programs to sustain them over the summer.
As we well know, hunger does not take a vacation. So we have a summer feeding program that we're able to feed children during the 10 weeks that they're out of school.
We had students who came to us and said, you know, there's no food in our house.
After years of seeing kids in need, retired East Davidson High School principal Kathy Smith volunteers her time at the Fairgrove Food Pantry to pack sacks for hungry children who may only have these 4 meals on the weekend.
You have no way of knowing, but at least we know that if there's no food there, that they at least have this each week.
I do relate to the kids that we serve at Petrie. I tell the kids all the time that I grew up poor.
During the school year, Principal Essie McCoy sees children affected by hunger every day.
We are 98.9%, so 100% basically free and reduced lunch, and you can see there's a need.
McCoy believes child hunger programs like Feeding America's Backpack Program and others make a difference you could never measure.
Can you imagine a child leaving here Friday afternoon, not really having anything to eat Saturday and Sunday, and then coming back to school, and we expect them to learn? So we're so fortunate. Last school year we had 50 backpacks, and hopefully this school year we will add even more.
We had one child who receives a backpack program in one of our schools write a letter to her teacher saying, "Thank you so much for the backpack. You are filling my stomach. You are saving children's lives."
In the next part of her series, Heather will look at the physical, social, and emotional consequences of hungry children in our schools and the battle educators face helping those students overcome the odds. To learn more about ways you can fight hunger across the state, log on to our website, UNC-TV.org/NCNow. Click on the web links icon.